too hot. This Haisstronica automatic wire stripper, and as you can see, it also brings a cutter in the middle, so you can also cut decent side of wire. So right there, it's very hard to pull it apart. It's still a little bit hot, but
just raise the bucket. Turn the fan on. There you go. See, fan works and it's underwater. There we go. So that's proof for you guys. There we go.
These are the new Haisstronica 4-in-1 shrink ratio, the 600 piece heat shrink tubing kit. So in here, as you can see, we got multiple sizes, and we are gonna test them out right now. So right now, what we're gonna do with this Haisstronica automatic wire stripper, we're gonna cut a piece of wire, and as you can see, it also brings a cutter in the middle, so you can also cut wire. So we're gonna cut about a decent side of wire. So right there, then we're gonna strip both sides. So let me turn around so you can see. So right here, you put it in the middle and it will strip the wire for you. Go to this side too. Alright, so right there we got both wires stripped. We got the wire stripped. I'll put it together. So we're gonna put it in this sleeve right here. And then we're gonna heat it with the heat gun. So it actually shrinks. So right there, we got both wires. So we're gonna plug the heat gun. Just gonna heat it. I think I grabbed a too small of a piece of wire, but that's fine. You see it shrinking already. Okay, this side a little bit more. Right there, it completely shrank. So now we're gonna test out the strength of it by pulling it apart. Really cool a little bit because it's still hot. Okay, so right there you can see it's very hard to pull it apart. It's still a little bit hot, but let's see how strong it is. So that's pretty strong. You're normally not gonna have anything pulling it apart like with that strength, but yeah, it's really good, and it was still a little bit hot, so probably if you let it cool more, it's gonna be stronger. New Haisstronica 4-in-1 shrink ratio, the 600 piece heat shrink tubing kit. We're gonna be using this. We're gonna be using the automatic wire stripper from Haisstronica, and some butt connectors. We're also gonna be using a extension cord, and to make sure that it works, we're gonna be connecting it to the Milwaukee fan with the extension cord. We took the battery off just in case.
We're gonna go ahead and spice these two. Get them ready for the butt connectors first. A bit more. There. Need the butt connectors. Okay. Give me the other thing. Yeah. I'm gonna slide this in here first. Put it down there. I'm gonna put the butt connector in here. Make sure it's good. To the other side. Oh, I think that was really good there. Alright. Okay. Sure it's strong, and then we're gonna go ahead and first heat shrink this. We're gonna let it cool off for just a second, or maybe we can slide it on right away. And then just slide it over that. Extra protection. And then heat shrink this one. We're set. There you go. Perfect cable. Now we're going to go ahead and test it, make sure it works good. Connect it there, and then connect this to the power. Let's let it shut off for a second. And does it work? Ready? There we go. Perfect. Real good.
Alright guys, so we put this together. Now the connection is good. We know the fan works. Now we're gonna test it out that it is waterproof and make sure that it still works.
Okay, so we're gonna test that it's waterproof. Alright, that's the test now. Turn on the fan. It's on. There you go. You guys can see it spin. And we're gonna drop this in water. Say good. And it doesn't reach. But I could just raise the bucket. Turn the fan on. There you go. See, fan works and it's underwater. There we go. So that's proof for you guys.